Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can move emails from one folder to another in your Canary mail inboxes. So let us guide you through it. So guys, open up a Canary mail on your device. Let me do it on my desktop computer. And next navigate to your linked inbox and navigate to the folder where you stored the given email. Let me go with that example folder here. So what you want to do, guys, is simply right click into the given mail here in that overview over that list. Select move, hover your mouse over it and select a new location. You can go with one of these main folders here or inboxes or parts of your inbox, sorry. Or you can hover your mouse over more and then see or gain access to these folders at the bottom of that inbox and select a new location. So let me navigate to or move that email to my test folder. And there you go. As you can see, the mail has been moved. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.